Reading with your child is great fun and your child will love it. It really benefits them later in life if you start reading with them early on, but they just really enjoy it as well. A little baby can even from 3 months enjoy books. The baby books often are filled with images and you can make up your own story, you can develop it as you go and you can sing a song, whatever works for you at that moment. You put your child on your lap, you make sure they can see the book, you hold it nice and still so your baby can really look at it and you can see their response and you can see how much they enjoy it. You don't have to read to your child in Dutch. You can use your own preferred language. The Dutch skills your child will pick up at daycare or at school in a natural and quick way anyway. So if you pick up a book that has lots of images, you can just read to your child or make up a story in your own language. The main thing is that your child hears many different words. That's how they develop their language skills. The actual language is less important. Their books have been specifically designed for babies. They're often made of fabric or plastic, so not paper. That makes them more sturdy and your child can explore them at their own pace. It can hold the book itself, it can even suck it, or it can scrunch it up, it can even throw it onto the floor, it doesn't matter because the book will be fine. And you can talk to your child in your own language about what you can see in those books. They can be contrast books or they can be touch and feel books, and some of them are even waterproof and your child can take them into the bath. It's almost like having a toy for your child. When your baby is 3 months old, you will receive a letter from Arnhem City Council, and in the letter there's a voucher. If you take the voucher to the library, you can sign your baby up for free membership for the library. The staff at the library will explain how you can borrow books for your baby, and they will also give you a cute little suitcase with 2 books in that you can keep. Now it's important to note that when you borrow a book for your baby that's a fabric book, it will actually be in a little plastic bag. And that means that the book has been cleaned and washed, and so your baby can safely touch it. And when you return it, the library staff will again clean and wash it, ready for the next little user. Once your child is 2 to 3 years old, it knows quite a few words by then and it'll start making connections. It can listen to short stories by that age. Especially will like stories that are set in the local area, things that it's familiar with. For this age we recommend board books. They're still sturdy books because your child will still see the book as a toy, want to play with it, hold it itself, turn the pages itself. They're beautifully designed and they're just right for that age. Very young children have a limited concentration span and they may only be able to focus for a minute or 2. It doesn't matter. If you notice that your child's attention is going, you can just do something else for a minute. You can just play a game or you can sing a song that is related to the book. It doesn't matter, as long as you're having fun together. Reading aloud with your child is hugely enjoyable, it's entertaining, but it's also super important because it really stimulates their language development. They learn so much while you're reading the books together, while you're listening to the stories, and while you're having fun.